How to recover deleted messages on Google Messages. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna recover your deleted messages on Google Messages by following some steps. So make sure to watch this video till the end. But before going with that process, I want you to hit that like, share, and subscribe option. So first thing first, in order to recover the deleted messages on Google Messages, you may just simply go to your settings and look for backup and choose this Messages app and tap on the Google account and start the backup process and do the backup. After that, go to your messages. And here, let's say I'm gonna delete these messages. So here, let's say I'm gonna delete this message. So in order to delete, just tap on this delete button, and here you can see this option. See that it says this is a permanent. That it says it is permanent and can't be undone. So if you tap on delete, then this conversation can't be really recovered unless you have backed it up. So you can't really see it from the Google Messages directly, but what you can do is archive these messages, which is equivalent to deleting. So just tap on archive and you can see that message has been removed from the list of messages that you have just seen. So in order to get that message back, you just need to tap on your profile, and here you will be able to see the archived option in the very middle. Just tap on it, and here you see the archived messages. So just tap on the message you wanna see again in your messages list. Just tap on the three dot here and tap on unarchive and get back. After that, your message that was archived will be removed from here, and you will be able to see that message again here on the main page. So in that way, you can recover your deleted messages on Google Messages. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.